Here's what everyone gets wrong about saving money. You think it's about discipline, about saying no to coffee, about tracking every single dollar in a spreadsheet and white-knuckling your way to financial freedom. That's backwards. That's actually the fastest way to fail. Actually, the best savers? They barely think about saving at all. I'm breaking down exactly what beginners do wrong versus what experts do right. And if you're in your 20s or 30s and still living paycheck to paycheck, this is going to sting, because you're probably doing all of this wrong. Beginner trap number 1, the budget obsession. Beginners think like this. I make $3,500 a month. I need to budget every dollar. So they create this insane spreadsheet. $1,200 rent, $400 food, $150 gym, $80 phone, $50 streaming, $25 coffee. They track it obsessively for 2 weeks. Then they get tired, miss one Uber charge, think screw it, and spend $600 on nonsense. The budget didn't fail. Your brain did. Willpower is a limited resource. You can't white-knuckle your way to wealth. What experts do instead, they don't budget. They automate. That's it. Here's the difference. A beginner gets paid $3,500. They spend money throughout the month. Whatever's left sometimes gets saved, usually doesn't. An expert gets paid $3,500. Before they spend a single dollar, they automatically transfer $500 to a separate account. Now they have $3,000 to live on. They can't touch the other $500. It's gone. Doesn't exist. This is called pay yourself first. It's not sexy. It's not complicated. It works because you're not relying on willpower. You're relying on a system. Beginner trap number 2, willpower over systems. Beginners believe in motivation. I'm going to save more this month. I'm going to be disciplined. I'm going to hit my goal. Then life happens. Your friend invites you out. You have a rough day. Your willpower tank is empty. You spend money. Experts don't believe in willpower. They believe in removing the decision. Say you decide you want to save $200 a month. A beginner opens their banking app every month and manually transfers it. Sometimes they remember. Sometimes they forget. Sometimes they're like, I'll do it next week, and never do. An expert sets up an automatic transfer. $200 goes to savings on the 5th of every month. No thinking, no deciding, no willpower required. One study found that people who automate their savings save 3x more than people who manually transfer money. 3 times. That's not a small difference. Why? Because you're not fighting your own brain. You're working with it. Beginner trap number 3, saving what's left. This is the killer. Beginners think, I'll spend what I need and save whatever's left over. Sounds logical. It's actually backwards. The problem, there's never anything left over. If you have access to money, you will spend it. Your brain doesn't care about your savings goals. Your brain wants that new monitor. Your brain wants that vacation. Experts flip the equation. They save first, then spend what's left. Here's a real example. You make $4,000 a month. You know you need to spend about $2,500 on essentials, rent, food, utilities, insurance. That leaves $1,500. Beginner approach. Spend $1,500 however. Hope $200 gets saved. Reality. $0 gets saved. Expert approach. Immediately move $500 to savings. $300 to investments. Now you have $700 to spend on discretionary stuff. You can't spend what you don't see. This is the biggest shift you can make. Stop thinking about saving as what's left. Start thinking about spending as what's left. Why this actually works. Your brain is not rational with money. It's emotional. It's impulsive. Telling yourself, I should save more, doesn't work because you're trying to use willpower against your own psychology. But if you remove the decision, if you automate it, now you're working with your brain instead of against it. I automated $300 a month when I was making $32,000 a year. Didn't feel like much. But in 5 years, that's $18,000. Plus growth. It got me to my first $25,000 saved. That money then started compounding. It became $50,000, then $100,000. That $300 automated transfer literally changed my entire financial life. The beginner thinks about saving emotionally. I hope I save money this month. The expert thinks about saving mechanically. $500 automatically goes to savings. I forgot it even existed. The one number you actually need. Forget tracking every category. Forget the detailed budget. You need one number, your savings rate. That's it. If you save 20% of your income, you're ahead of like 90% of people. If you save 30%, you're building wealth. If you save 50%, you're on track to retire early. A beginner tracks. I spent $400 on food, $150 on gym, $200 on going out. An expert tracks. I saved 25% this month. One is useful. One is noise. Here's how you actually do this. Figure out your net monthly income. Multiply by 0.20. That's your automatic transfer amount. Done. You're ahead of 90% of people. Your turn. So here's what I want to know. What's your biggest money mistake? Are you the person who obsesses over budgets but never saves? Are you relying on willpower? Are you hoping something's left over at the end of the month? Drop it in the comments. Let's call out what's actually holding us back. Because money is simple once you remove your own psychology from the equation.